I'm going to show you how you can turn off fast boot on Windows 11 by using the GUI, as well as deploying a registry key using group policy so you can do it to all of your computers that are attached to an Active Directory network. So to start, I'm on my Windows 11 machine, and if we press start and type choose a power plan, what we can do is in the power plans option, we can select choose what the power buttons do, and then we can press change settings that are currently unavailable, and then we can untick turn on fast startup. So that is how we can do it using the GUI. However, if you're connected to an Active Directory network and you want to deploy this setting to all of the computers that are on the network, we could do that using group policy. So to do it using group policy, we'll want to modify a registry key. So if we open up the registry editor and then navigate to HKey local machine, system, CurrentControlSet, control, session manager, and then power, there is a key for HiberbootEnabled. Now by default this is set to 1, however if we change this to 0 and then come back and then refresh our power plan settings, we'll see this automatically turns itself off because this is the registry key that it looks at. So if this is set to 1, it enables fast startup, and if it's set to 0, it disables fast startup. So I'll just set this back to 1 and then refresh, and then we can see it's back on. So what we'll do is we'll move over to our domain controller, we'll deploy a key, and then we'll make sure this turns off. So I've moved over to my domain controller, and if we open up the group policy management, what we can do is in our group policy objects, we can create a new group policy object, or if you have an existing GPO that is applied to your Windows 10 and 11 workstations, you can modify that. However, I'll just create a new one, and we'll call this disable fast boot. And then if we right click and edit, then if we come to computer configuration, preferences, Windows settings, and then registry, we can right click a new registry item. And then within here, we can set it to update, HKey local machine. And then if we select the 3 dots, we can drill down into our path, which is HKey local machine, system, CurrentControlSet, control, session manager, power, and then if we scroll down under power, we've got HiberbootEnabled. So if we select that and then press select, we've now filled in our key path. I will also put this in the blog post in the description, so instead of drilling down, you can just paste the key path value in. And then for the value name, that should be HiberbootEnabled with a capital H and a capital E. And then we'll set this to DWORD, and then put the decimal and make sure that is 0, because 0 is disabled and 1 is enabled. So if we apply this key and then OK, we've now got our group policy object set up, which deploys the key to disable fast startup. Now we've got our GPO, all we need to do is apply this to the organizational unit that houses our workstations. Now the way I've got my Active Directory set up, I've got a workstations OU, which contains all of my computers. So I can just drag my GPO over the workstations OU and then press OK to link it. So now that's linked. If you've got multiple OUs that house your workstations, you'll want to link it to them all. But now that's linked for me. So if we come back to our Windows 11 workstation, and then if I open up the registry editor again, so within the registry editor, we've got our Hiberboot key, which is currently set to 1, which is the default. So now if I open up a command prompt and then run a GP update, we'll see that as that's running, so as soon as that's updated the computer policy, if we give this a refresh, we'll see this will change from 1 to 0. So that GPO to deploy the registry key has worked. It's changed the value from 1 to 0. And now our fast startup has been disabled for all of the workstations that has this group policy applied to. So that's how you can use group policy to disable fast startup on Windows 11.